The Lawrence Livermore National Laboratory hosts interns. We host them all throughout the year. Summer is by far our busiest season. Right now we have, I believe, well over 700 interns on site with us working, doing some magnificent things. We hire them in all of our directorates, so we have engineers, we have physicists, and we also have mini interns in our operations and business directorates as well.
You should definitely consider applying to the Lawrence Livermore internship programs. They are a fantastic opportunity to meet some of the best scientists in the world, work right next to them, shoulder to shoulder, either like in the lab or just behind a computer. You can be a really close collaborator.
And the laboratory is one place that I have learned that we love to share knowledge with each other. No one is ever upset if you have a question about something. We are more than happy to pull out the whiteboard, so to say, and draw a diagram and explore, what exactly it is that you're not understanding about this topic. I loved my internship because I've got to explore things that I didn't even realize I had an interest in. My love for learning was able to grow. I learned about the opportunities that the laboratory has to continue my education, and I took that opportunity and ran with it and got a degree in cybersecurity even.
But really what also we're looking for is to develop that strong pipeline for full-time hires. People here have often worked their entire careers at the lab, and there's great reason for it, and we want to be able to broadcast that better to our interns.
And the lab has many different outreach opportunities for laboratory employees to participate in if that's something that they're interested in. And I was lucky enough to have mentors that talked about these opportunities within my undergraduate degree. And, prior to meeting them, I really had no idea what a national lab is, what they do, and the kind of work that I would be exposed to. So I'm really happy that I took this opportunity to really just open the door to being a software developer in an environment like this.
And I knew about the lab, but I didn't think there was work relevant to my degree here. And I think that was just me not fully knowing what the lab does. I was like, they do big science, they do physics, they don't do environmental engineering. My internship was pivotal for my career development. Being an intern definitely led me to where I am today. The lab is a great place for exploration, and an internship here is just a great opportunity.
So we want our interns to be able to come in and explore. They obviously already have a great existing skill set, and we want them to be able to expand on that.
So this has been my first research experience. I didn't do it at all as an undergrad. This wasn't the opportunity that I was planning on receiving, but I'm so happy I have gotten it. It's been a great chance to learn and grow in ways that I don't think I could have.
So the way I found out through the internship program was that labs like Los Alamos, Sandia, and Livermore, they came to my high school and they did a presentation, and I went to college, and a guy named Heath Bigman contacted me and said, hey, are you interested in internship here at Livermore National Laboratory? I gladly wanted to take part of that because I wanted to support my community, and I want to be that representation for Native Americans and also Native American girls. And I thought national laboratories were just like a nerdy thing to do. Like, you're in a white lab coat, you're dealing with chemicals, that type of stuff. But with the field I'm working with, it's not really. It's like a bunch of other different things, like ultrasound, x-rays, lasers, which is crazy to me that working with lasers, explosives, that type of stuff. I am currently in the process of trying to come back next year because I enjoyed it so much.
I think at the lab there's a lot of opportunities to meet other interns, go to different events, attend some conferences, and really see everything that is going on at the lab.
So I work with the LISA team on helping to plan events for employees. And I really enjoy coming to the office every day and just being greeted by all of them, and it feels like I'm a part of the community there. So one of the things that I worked on this summer was helping LISA with their summer cornhole tournament. So they put one on for the lab employees, and I organized one for the student interns for the summer. So there are about over 700 interns that I am overseeing, and each week I provide them with information about what the different events are that are going on, as well as hosting weekly events, and through that I've been able to meet a lot of different people. And I'm so glad that I did, because this opportunity has made me really happy this summer.
So even if your current internship is really exciting right now, but by the end you feel like you've checked that box, I guarantee that there's going to be something else equally as exciting, if not more exciting, for you to do next year at the lab.